In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize receipts on your Shopify store. Whether you're looking to personalize the appearance of your receipts or add specific information to them, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in and talk you through the process, step by step. To begin, you'll start by opening your Shopify admin panel. Once there, you'll want to direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. This is where you'll find the settings icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a new menu filled with various options that you can adjust for your store. Today, our focus is on receipts, so from this menu, you'll want to select the Notifications option. Now, with the Notifications section open, you should see a range of options. Look specifically for customer notifications and click on that. This is where Shopify manages all the communication that goes out to your customers, including the notifications they receive when a purchase is made. It's a powerful feature that allows you to tailor what your customers see and helps leave a lasting impression. In the Customer Notifications area, you'll notice a variety of receipt types available. Each one corresponds to a different point in the buying process, whether it's order confirmation, shipping updates, or any other related receipts. Have a look through to find the type that you're interested in customizing. Once you've located a receipt type you want to edit, click on it. Doing so will present you with a preview of what the receipt currently looks like. To make changes to this receipt, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find an Edit Code button. Click on this button. This is where you can bring your ideas to life. Through the coding interface, you have the freedom to adjust the design and content of your receipts entirely to your taste. Whether you want to change the color scheme, include your store's logo, or add extra fields for information, it's all possible here. Editing code might seem daunting at first if you're not familiar with it, but don't worry. Many Shopify store owners find it rewarding to delve into the customization options, even if it takes a bit of learning. Plus, there are plenty of resources available online to guide you along the way. Making your receipts look professional and aligned with your brand can enhance your customers' experience and add that extra touch of personalization. And just like that, you're all set. That's the simple process for customizing receipts on your Shopify store. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure that your store stands out and continues to impress your customers with every transaction. Thank you for joining me today, and happy customizing.